Hey guys, so I'm sitting here in my new studio space and I'm getting ready to record a video, and I wanted to do a behind the scenes. I actually got a huge package from Hasbro the other day and I don't know exactly what's in it, so I'm going to be opening that up, and I thought I would just shoot some behind the scenes video footage for you guys to see. So this is footage of me that I can see when I'm recording myself. When I'm in front of the camera, I can watch this little monitor to make sure that I keep everything in the frame. Here is some of what my little studio area looks like. Do you remember when I made those? The erasers, I made those on DCTC. That was a couple of summers ago. I have some of this stuff from the videos that I do for DCTC school. I have a lot of these to do. This is what the space looks like from farther back. And then the toys. Lots and lots of toys. There's the box. It's huge, but there's a lot of fun stuff in there. So I'm actually going to be putting this video up on, I have another channel. I know you guys are probably confused because I keep telling you about all these different channels that I have. So I have another channel called DCTC Amy Jo's Kids Vids. And I'm gonna open the box and put that video on Kids Vids, and I will put a link to it at the end of this video. But if you want to search for it, if you search for DCTC Amy Jo's Kids Vids, it should pop up. You should be able to find it. If not, leave me a comment and I'll send you a link to it. But that is one of the channels that I've had for a really long time, and I don't know if you remember Seth and Kaylee, who uploaded on DCTC, but there's a bunch of their surprise egg videos on there, and then some of my more recent videos. So I'm gonna upload this over there. I've always wanted the Amy Jo show to kind of be like the behind the scenes, like a more personal vlog channel where I just kind of share like things from my life, like behind the scenes or trips that I might take, or just things that I'm doing, just kind of random sort of, I don't know, things from my life. So I kind of want to keep it like that. So I'm just testing a couple of different things. But I still get a lot of feedback saying that, from you guys saying that it's hard to find my videos. So I am uploading to DCTC School, and that Kids Vids channel, and then in addition to the Amy Jo show. So I'm out there. I'm here. I'm on YouTube. I just need to figure out how you guys can find me. So anyway, hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you soon. Also, I'm sure you're noticing how red my face looks, and that's because I did a bunch of gardening yesterday and pruning. I got sunburned for one thing, even though it was cold out. But I also was cutting these branches from above a tree, and look, they're coming down and scratching my face and hitting me. So I look really I look windburned. So I have oil all over my face, so it looks really weird and shiny, but what can you do? That's life. Hey guys, welcome back. On today's episode, I'm going to be opening a huge box from Hasbro. They sent this to me and I don't know exactly what's in it. I have a couple of ideas, but we're going to open it up and check it out. Okay, take one. I usually do this a couple of times just to make sure that I get an intro that I like. Hey guys, welcome back. On today's episode, I'm going to be opening a huge box full of toys. Hasbro sent this to me, and I don't know exactly what's in it, but it's very big. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. I have a little remote control that I can use to turn the camera on and off. That's what this is. Okay, should we open it up? I'm going to turn this so you guys can see it. Ooh, it's all wrapped. It's a lot of fun stuff. Something for Mr. Potato Head, Disney Princess, Baby Alive, that'll be fun, Frozen, Trolls, that's everything. I just realized that I missed a couple on this side of me. Moana and For Real. So I think now we should open these all up and see what is inside. And then we'll open the individual toys in separate videos, because otherwise this video would be 2 hours long. Okay, so now I'm gonna organize myself a little bit and figure out what's what. Okay, let's start right here because this one is pretty much open. So this is a Mr. Potato Head Iron Man. This is so cute. So I'm totally gonna do this. We'll have fun with this. All right, let's see what else we have. Let's do the Moana. Let's see what we have. Ooh. Oh, cool. It's a stencil and design. I think we get to decorate her dress or her skirt. We do. That is awesome. Ooh, I love things like this. Like I love doing crafts and like little art projects, so this will be really fun. I can't wait to do this one. Okay. Something from For Real. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It's Shaggy Shawn. Oh. Okay, I think this is the kind of dog that Zumi's dad is. You guys know Zumi, my puppy, right? She is a Morkie, which means her mom is a Maltese and her dad is a Yorkie. And I'm pretty sure that Shaggy Shawn is a Yorkie puppy. Aw, look how cute he is. Next up, Baby Live. Okay, this is Baby Alive Sweet Spoonfuls Baby. Ooh, we get to make some baby food and feed it to her. Oh, she's really cute. We have a lot of fun videos to make, don't we? Let's check out what's new from Frozen. Oh, cool. It's the Frozen, it's the Little Kingdom. So it looks like we have Elsa. I don't see Anna here. It's the Royal Chambers. Are you guys so excited for the next Frozen movie to come out? Do you remember how popular Frozen was? It was crazy. It was crazy, crazy, crazy. I bet it'll be like that again. Something I love, Trolls. Camp Critter Pod. How cute is that? Look at Poppy. Everybody loves Poppy, I know, but I love Poppy too. Oh, this is so cute. Ooh, it looks really cool when it's closed. Let me find the picture of it. Oh, it's on the front. Right there. I have to show you a close-up picture. Okay, one last thing from Disney Princess. So these are all of the new toys from Hasbro. Appreciate Hasbro sending these so that I can share them with you. Oh, the Magical Movers Disney Princess Little Kingdom. This is so cute. Aww. Okay, so you guys, if you watch the Amy Jo Show regularly, then you know that I already have this. So I will probably just open it and do another video and open it and do this one on Kids Vids as well. I've already done it on the Amy Jo Show, but I'll just do a new video and I'll put it up on this channel. Not on this channel, not on the Amy Jo Show, on the channel that the video I'm doing is going on, the Kids Vids, Amy Jo, DCTC Amy Jo Kids Vids. So, but I love this, it's super cute. So I don't mind doing it again at all. Okay, so that was everything that was in the box, and so I'm going to show you a close-up of everything, and then I'm going to put a poll up, and you click on the little eye, and there'll be a poll, and you can vote for which one of these you want me to open first. So, is it the Disney Princess Magical Movers? This is the part of the Disney Princess Little Kingdom. Or would you like me to open the Frozen Royal Chambers? Shaggy Shawn. Now remember, I'm going to open all of them. We're just going to vote for which one I'm going to do first. Moana. Iron Man, Mr. Potato Head. Baby Alive. or the trolls. So make sure that you click on the little eye up in the corner of the video and vote for the toy that you want me to open first. And thanks again to Hasbro for sending me all of this for free so that I could share it with all of you. Get everything around me. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye! Okay, so what I'll do now is shoot all of this stuff close up and show everybody what it all looks like and the details, and then I put I put this one backwards. Oopsie. And then that'll be it for this video, and then that's all. I'll finish both of these videos. I will edit the one that you're watching now and put that up on the Amy Jo Show, and edit this one and put it on Kids Vids, and hopefully I'll see you guys over there too. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.